Are men inherently more intelligent than women? This age-old debate has sparked controversy and heated discussions worldwide. In this thought-provoking video, we explore the concept of intelligence and investigate the claim that men might have an advantage. Together, we will delve deep into the human genome and trace evolution back millions of years to uncover the answer to this controversial question. One day, my 12-year-old daughter asked me if boys are smarter than girls because a boy in her classroom had made that claim. I explained to her that intelligence is not a single, easily measurable entity. Instead, it encompasses a wide range of cognitive abilities, each with its own complexities and variations. I said, "No, it's not true that men are more intelligent than women." Before I could continue, she quickly responded, "Then why are the richest people in the world men?" I smiled and said, "Okay, let's delve deeper into the subject." Our initial research into the data available online suggested that there is no measurable difference in the intelligence levels of men and women. However, we decided to take a more practical, results-driven approach to see if outcomes aligned with these findings. We examined gender representation among the most successful and influential individuals in various fields, including the 100 richest people, top mathematicians, biologists, physicists, software developers, politicians, graphic designers, fashion designers, and more. To our surprise, men dominated most of these fields by a significant margin. This raised many questions for us. If the research consistently claims no inherent differences in intelligence, why do the outcomes appear so imbalanced? Having established this conclusion, we decided to delve deeper and explore why men dominate success in nearly every field. Two main reasons emerged as possible explanations for why men have historically been perceived as having certain cognitive advantages over women. Firstly, some attribute this perception to the roles played by men and women during the early days of human evolution. In the hunter-gatherer era, men often ventured out to hunt and gather food, while women stayed in caves or settlements to care for children and maintain safety. This division of labor meant that men were frequently exposed to challenging, high-stakes situations that required the use of problem-solving, spatial awareness, and other cognitive skills. Over millions of years, this may have honed certain mental capabilities in men. The second reason for the stark differences often observed in the intelligence levels of men and women is energy allocation and biology. To better understand how our bodies function, we can divide the activities into two categories. These are the processes that happen automatically, without any conscious effort. Examples include the growth of body hair for temperature regulation, nail growth, feelings of hunger, sexual orgasms that promote reproduction, excretion of waste, sweating, and the pumping of the heart. These processes are governed by our genome, and we have little to no control over them. These are the tasks where human intelligence comes into play. They include finding and preparing food, wearing clothing to protect against the elements, seeking medical care when needed, exercising to maintain health, and maintaining personal hygiene to prevent bacterial infections. These tasks require us to use our cognitive abilities to make decisions that support our body's survival and well-being. This division of labor between our genome-driven processes and human-directed actions represents an incredible example of teamwork. The more work we handle for the genome through human intelligence, the more energy it saves and utilizes that energy to make us more intelligent. Here are some examples of how this energy redistribution has worked in our favor. Millions of years ago, humans had as much body hair as animals. However, as we began living in caves and later learned to wear animal skins for warmth, our body no longer needed as much hair to regulate temperature. By reducing the energy required to maintain thick body hair, our genome repurposed that energy to improve our physical and mental abilities. Once we started wearing shoes, our bodies no longer needed to maintain such thick skin. When humans started cooking food, it reduced the burden on our bodies to fight harmful bacteria. The energy previously spent on digestion and combating bacteria was saved and redirected toward increasing intelligence and longevity. Cooked food also reduced our jaw size from having 32 teeth to new generations having only 28. In a similar manner, our genome has gotten rid of several organs which were not useful to our existence anymore. As humans continue to evolve, we may rely less on physical organs and more on technological or external solutions, further enabling our bodies to allocate energy toward intelligence and longevity. In 10,000 years, humans may no longer need teeth, and our lifespans could extend to 200 or even 300 years, thanks to advancements in medicine and energy redistribution. In humans, women bear the significant biological responsibilities associated with reproduction. This includes maintaining reproductive organs such as the uterus, undergoing menstruation, producing milk via mammary glands, and nurturing newborns. These processes, while critical to humanity's survival, require significant energy and resources. As a result, the energy available for cognitive functions in women may sometimes be less abundant compared to men, whose bodies are not tasked with these reproductive roles. However, advancements in technology and science, such as lab-based reproduction, may eventually reduce or eliminate these biological disparities. As these factors shift, the gap in cognitive potential between men and women may diminish over time. In the meantime, it is crucial to recognize and appreciate the profound role women play in ensuring the continuation of our species. Their contributions deserve gratitude and respect as we move toward a more equitable future.